We are T-minus 13 hours until voting begins on Textron Aviation's latest contract offer. The 5-year deal with the Machinists Union raises pay 31% over that time. Members would also get $3,000 bonuses each year, and health insurance premiums would not go up on the no-deductible plan. Textron leaders say the contract is their best and final offer, but union members tell KSN's Aditi Lamba it's not fair, and they plan to vote it down.
Julia, I spoke with union members on the picket line today. Many voiced their disappointment, some saying the new deal falls short and is not a good deal for them or their families. Frustration and fear is mounting as union members continue their strike. One machinist saying he wants to stay anonymous but wants his voice heard.
Due to repercussions from the factory or the company.
One member not afraid and ready to speak up.
You got to do it what you got to do. You know, if you're not willing to take care of yourself, no one else is, so you got to be able to stand up for yourself.
The mood remaining tense. Many telling KSN the company is not living up to its promises.
This new contract that they offered is no better than the last one, aside from they added a year to it. They didn't address the healthcare issues or the pension issues.
Machinists saying they do not know what's going to happen this weekend, but they remain focused on getting a fairer deal.
Everybody has their own opinion, so we'll see what happens.
As for Textron Aviation, it's standing by its updated contract offer, saying it's the best and final offer.
This contract allows stability for our employees, their families, and the Wichita community, and our shared future.
Voting on the new contract begins at 6 tomorrow morning at the District Lodge off of Meridian and I-235. We'll keep tabs of the vote and bring you the results as they come in. Here for you, Aditi Lamba, KSN News 3.
12 hours until voting begins. The Machinists Union is soon deciding whether to accept or reject Textron Aviation's latest contract offer. The 5-year contract raises pay 31%, includes annual bonuses and premiums for the no-deductible health insurance plan. That's not increasing. And yet, union members tell Aditi Lamba they are not satisfied. She joins us live to explain.
Julia, Textron Aviation says its updated proposal is in response to the demands set forth by the Machinists Union's negotiating committee. But members on the picket line are frustrated. Some told me the contract more or less stayed the same and feel the company is putting a band-aid on bigger issues such as healthcare, pensions, and wages. And there's a fear of repercussions. I spoke with 2 union members, one of them not wanting to be on camera because of that fear.
It's an unfair contract for those who've been out here for forever, for 20-something plus years or whatever. But you want to throw us bones, but not really give us what we're looking for. So yes, it's an unfair contract.
We spend our hard-earned dollars in this community to other businesses to make them thrive, and we just want to thrive as well.
Textron leaders see the contract differently. They say it helps their workers and their families, while also letting them keep doing their business in the air capital. Voting gets underway at 6 in the morning at the Union Lodge off of I-235 and Meridian. It will be done in alphabetical order. Union members can find out their time to vote on KSN.com. Here for you, Aditi Lamba, KSN News 3.